This is Bullion Road. We're looking to the east right now, but you can see it's a really well-maintained road and can be easily traveled by any vehicle. We're going to be heading up to the left. So we're turning left on Chugach, and you can see that road is a pretty good road as well. All right, we just traveled about 2 miles to the east on Chugach, and we're going to be heading north in just a second here. And you can see it's Chugach there was a couple of spots where I had to use my 4-wheel drive, and we're going to be heading up the hill a little bit there, so I'm assuming I'll need to use it there as well. But yeah, still beautiful area, beautiful property. All right, right now we're on the center of the property looking towards the north, and as we rotate towards the east you can see Elko. We're about 7 miles outside of Elko. And Bullion Road is a really good road. Chugach is where navigation took me. And that road, I was glad I had 4-wheel drive on that road because it was a little bit rocky in some spots. Or not rocky, but rutted. And then there was kind of a steep climb as you got up closer to the property. But it's a really nice property with some beautiful views. You can see vegetation includes wildflowers, prairie grass, juniper trees, and sagebrush. You can see my truck over there. That's where the road leads you up to. So it's fairly close to the property. But I have seen elk, deer, antelope, rabbit, coyote, ground squirrels, and birds in the area. So you can see down there a little bit lower that there's several dwellings. Most of them are mobile homes, and they rely on solar power and above ground water storage. You can see there is a structure that's due north of the property, but it's uninhabited. It looks like somebody started it but then didn't finish it. So anyway, this is a beautiful property with some great views of the valley. You can see the interstate off there in the distance, but just a really nice property. I decided to come back along the road that is just to the north of the property rather than the one Chugach. I don't know how you say Chugach, whatever. Anyhow, I'm gonna start this over again. So I decided to come back along this road, which is just to the north of the property instead of Chugach. And this is a little bit better road. As you get closer to the property, there are some kind of steep grades and stuff like that. But I think this road off of Bullion Road is going to be better than Chugach.